Hello everyone, so today I'm selling this set of lenses along with this camera. This is a Minolta X300 camera. So first I'm gonna show you the accessories first. So for this set you're gonna get a leather camera bag kind of thing. Let me show you the condition. This is a leather bag. Yeah. Then you're gonna get this lens. But of course, like these lenses, the condition is not in a very good condition. Like there's some, I'm not sure if it's possible to clean them, but yeah, these lenses. The 50mm that comes with the camera, that one is good, that one is clean. Then there's this one. This is a 28. Condition also, not sure can be clean or not. So gonna sell it as it is. But the camera is good, or the camera can work. I'll show you. So this is the camera itself. Okay. The video for the lens itself, I will put in another video, because I have actually made a video about it before this. But now that the camera is ready, so I'm gonna sell them together in one set lah. Yeah, so this is the aesthetic condition. Then now I'm gonna show you how it functions and everything. So first off, I'm gonna show you that the light meter actually works. Gonna do a manual focus. Alright. See? So the light meter actually works. And then now I'm gonna show you the shutter itself. So we're gonna start with bulb mode. Okay, there you go. 1 second. Okay. Half. Okay. Quarter. 108. 115. 130. 160 or flash mode, I think. Yeah, 125. 250. 500. 1000. Okay. Auto mode works as well. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, this is the Minolta X300. Thanks everyone. God bless.